Hey everybody, this is my 2021 BigHorn golf cart, the high-low special edition. And yeah, if you're wondering how to disconnect the beeper, if you get tired of the reverse sound, all you literally have to do is loosen these things, take this off, and this little box right here, I have it disconnected now, but I'll connect it just to show you if I can get it with one hand. Okay, now it's connected, so now as soon as I put it in reverse, that is a very annoying sound, but and just like that, that's how you disconnect it. There's your battery and stuff too, and I assume there's a turn signal beeper here, or one of them is anyways, maybe here, if you get tired of the turn signal beeper. But yeah, so far I like it. It's only 2-wheel drive. We have the flip up, or flip down I mean, the extra seats on it. It has turn signals, brake lights. Then you have your override if you're in reverse and you need full power, you hold that in. And this is turns your lights on. And the lights are actually super cool. I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not, but they're LED around, and then your turn signal actually goes to that. Goes to like that, and then yeah, as you can hear, the turn signal has a beeper too. But I left that on actually. That way when you're actually driving it, you might not actually hear that you have it on, and that way you actually know. But yeah, I got a winch for this bad boy. I don't know if I even use it.